Greetings and welcome back to the lab. Time for another unboxing, actually multiple unboxing, and some of this is for projects and some of it is for possible future projects, but we'll find out. So let's start with the one you've already seen and I got more of, which came from them. Let's see if we can get it open. I should get a sharper knife, but I don't want to cut myself. Let's see. As things fall in the distance. Okay. And it is more of the jack-o'-lantern circuit boards. Curious where they put these. Yeah, they put the silica gel in this time. Interesting that they didn't last time. And I'm wondering where they put the code. Oh, there's multiple silica gel. Yeah, they put it in pretty much the same place. At least it's not crossing over anything critical. Let's see if I can stack these up nicely. There you go. That is what that looks like. I've not gotten to assembling them just yet. I do have one off camera that I built. Let me see if I can't demonstrate. And I'm noticing that with the lighting that the camera adjusts. So I turn off all the lights. It might actually get worse. So I'm going to leave it like that for a second so you can sort of appreciate maybe what it looks like. But I'm thinking I can do better with the LEDs that are on the back. And so let me do that. And now I'm going to turn off the lights. And we'll see if it's any better. And now the lights are coming back. So that's that one. Just wanted to unbox it so I can manage it. And not have things just magically appear when I'm working on stuff. I want to unbox things so you can kind of see the process. But let's put that aside. I'm going to save these silica gel packets because I can contribute to the lab where I get the 3D prints done. And that reminds me, there's a 3D print coming, so I'll try to get to that when it arrives. And it does have to do with the Halloween display. Now this one I bought one night when I was kind of restless and I was checking eBay and I was looking for cheap auctions and I won for a penny this $1.99 shipping. It wasn't free, but that's not bad. For $2 I got this, and at first I thought it's probably not going to be so great, but I'll try it. And if it isn't great, then it might be great because I think I have an idea for Christmas, in which case I can harvest some parts. And it is this, the party light. Oh, that looks different from this picture up here is different from this picture here. Yeah, I don't know which one it is. That is interesting. All right. Let's get this puppy open. Let's see what's inside. Well, you got the remote. We got, oh wow, I didn't realize it was 120 volt. And okay, that's the bracket for mounting it wherever. It is the rounded one, which is what I ordered. Though I didn't realize there was a flat one. For a penny, I really can't complain. And yeah, it does explain what the functions are there. So let's see if I can't plug this in somewhere. Ooh, it sparked as it went in. Okay. Now I don't know. Oh, wow. That's not bad. You can't see the ceiling from your perspective. It's better than some of the other ones I've seen. And let's see, do I need to pull a little tab out? There's a battery in here. Let's try turning it off. I might not have a battery. Here's a remote. I know what I can do to kind of give you an idea. Grab a piece of paper. I want to grab a piece of scratch paper that doesn't have much written on it. That can kind of work. That's the patterns I'm getting. But it would be nice to be able to switch them, and I can't do that without the remote. That's why I'm trying to get that out. All right, I finally got it. It is a 2032 battery, pretty standard stuff. And I can turn it on and off. Now let's see what these look like. That's just the red light, just the green light, just the blue light. Let me guess. Combo? Yeah, red and green. Green and blue. Red and blue. Ah, they're alternating. I can also adjust the speed, supposedly. That's all the way up. Well, that's what it says here. Flashing LED. Flash speed or motor speed. Interesting. Oh, okay. There's a flash. All right. Well, let's see what that looks like with paper. So now I can give you an idea what these all look like. That's red. That's, oh, whoops, I hit flash. What do we have here? Stop and start. It's stopped in its position, but I don't want the flashing. There we go. We're back to red. Green. Let me turn off the lights. Oh, and it stopped. So one of these was start and stop with the motor. Yeah, there we go. So hopefully that'll give you a good idea. So red, green, blue, red and green, blue and green, red and blue. This is the, it's cycling through. Will it give us white? Yeah, kind of. Gave us all three, but that's not really. Now let's see if we can get the motor speed. Slow down all the way. If I can speed it up. Well, unfortunately, this doesn't help me with the idea I had for Christmas, so I'm gonna have to keep looking, but it's not that bad. It's actually shining around the room, and I've seen some much worse ones in the past, so I might keep this just for what it is. I can put it up around Christmas time, fill the room with light and such, although I might. Yeah, I don't think I like the flashing part. That might make more sense for Christmas because it just cycles through them. I mean, otherwise, I guess you could do red and green for Christmas. So there we go. That's what this ended up looking like. I was hoping to harvest the motor from it, and I might still be able to do that. I'll think about it. I might do a tear down, but that's the unboxing for now. Thank you so much for watching.